Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and I'm going to be doing a race analysis in this video, as well as a box unopening. It is a it's a vehicle. That's all I'm going to say. And this channel is Nascar, so you know what it is. Gonna go to the profile picture again. If you guys want a profile picture, there you go. But yeah, we're gonna get unboxing this here in a minute. But first, we're gonna talk about the NASCAR race. So what happened was the race. I didn't get to watch it until the last stage, until the last like 50 laps. So I don't really know much. But I do know Austin Dillon nearly flipped. He got turned by Brad Keselowski and literally got on his side, like outside wall right here. He got turned, then like that. Yeah. Brad Keselowski. I want to say Brad Keselowski turned him. I'll say Brad Keselowski. Here, let me go get a. Here, let me get 2 cars. Good enough. So, for instance, so this is Brad Keselowski. This is Austin Dillon. I would say they both look like that at the same time. I don't know, this is Austin Dillon right here. And then I would say they both, like, boom, and then it happened. A lot of things happened during this race, though. The big one happened on lap, I don't know, something. What happened was Tyler Reddick got turned, or almost turned. He saved it, and then it stacked up the entire field, and then Joey Logano got turned, and then other cars did. And the last few laps, the last 7 laps were like crazy. It was Ryan Blaney holding off the 2 Hendricks, the Larson and the Byron. He was holding off them, and then Byron and the coming into the, what do you call that? Like the start finish line. I would call it. I was gonna say trial. But Blaney was holding them off, broke the draft a little bit, and then Byron came down, and it was almost a photo finish. It was crazy. Guys, let's get to the unboxing. I ordered it before I even went to school, I think. So here we go. Definitely what I know it is. It was wrapped in that. Alright, you guys are gonna see it first. I saw it first. But that is so cool. So unboxing. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna open this. And how are we gonna do this? It's simple, but not simple at the same time. Alright, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna bow with it. I don't want to rip these things. Here we go. Pull it out. Look at that. Deep Florida watermelon color, Ross Jesting. That is so cool. That is sick. Here's the box. I got it off of Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna wrap in this newspaper. I could give that to my mom and we'll get her reaction. But that is cool. This one is way heavy. Yeah, we got the 2 trucks right here. Alright, but that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got the 2 trucks right here. Pretty cool, but yeah. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, next week's Daytona. That's gonna be really cool. Bye.